What if you could create almost anything you can imagine and turn it into a real 3D model? Today I will show you how to do it using AI with one of the best tools on the market, Meshy AI. To generate a model, you can upload an image or just type a prompt. From here, the only limit is your imagination. In this example, I will use an image created by ChatGPT, an epic Viking-style mug with a bold, Nordic-inspired design. And just like that, the model is ready. It looks fantastic. Tons of details, great shape, it looks really good. Now just export it as an STL, drop it into the slicer, make a few adjustments, and it's ready to print. For the next model, let's see how Meshy performs when creating a model directly from a prompt. I asked it to generate a decorative ball covered in dragon scales. That looks great. Let's print it. For the next model, I wanted to create something decorative. So I asked ChatGPT to generate 3 different prompts in different styles that Meshy could turn into a 3D model. One of the great things about Meshy is that it can generate multiple models at the same time. And it does it really fast. In fact, it's the fastest AI 3D generator I've used so far. After the models were generated, I simply chose the one I liked the most. For the next model, let's try something completely different. Let's see how Meshy handles creating an animal. In this case, a polar bear. The result looks great, and the bear turned out really nice. What's really impressive is how well Meshy integrates into the full 3D workflow. From AI generation to actual production. It makes going from idea to real 3D print much easier. Now let's try something more playful, a futuristic toy car. The design looks fantastic, with very sleek lines. It's not perfectly optimized for 3D printing and will require quite a bit of support, but it looks great. Let's print it. We've already created a wide range of models, so for the last one let's make a character. This time I will use an image to generate a model of Skeletor from Masters of the Universe. And the result looks awesome. Let's print it. As you can see, with Meshy AI you can create almost any model you can imagine, quickly, easily and without any design skills. From practical objects to sculptures, toys and characters, the possibilities are almost endless. And the best part is that you can take those ideas and turn them into real 3D prints. Get Pro monthly for just $1. Starting today, click the link in my description to unlock your $1 Pro access. Limited quantity available, first come, first served.